In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Steam overlay. The Steam overlay is the quick access panel that appears over your game so you can chat with friends, browse the web, check achievements, or respond to invites without leaving what you're playing. If it's not turned on, those in-game conveniences won't be available, so let's get it set up the right way. First, launch the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're signed in. You'll need to be in the main Steam window, not inside a game, so you can adjust your settings comfortably. If Steam asks you to log in, go ahead and do that before continuing so your changes apply to your account. Next, look to the very top left corner of the Steam window for the menu labeled Steam. Click that, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the central place where Steam keeps all its preferences, and it's where you can control how the overlay behaves. In the Settings window, find the In-Game section in the left sidebar. Click it to see options specifically related to Steam's in-game features. Here, look for the checkbox that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Check that box. That single toggle is what turns the overlay on for your games across Steam. If it's already checked, great, your overlay is already enabled and you're good to go. Once that box is checked, your change takes effect for your Steam account on this device. The overlay will be available the next time you launch a game through Steam. You'll also see the default keyboard shortcut displayed in this section by default. It's typically Shift+Tab, which is how you bring the overlay up while you're playing. Remember, that's just for your awareness here, you don't need to do anything else in this moment. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the Steam overlay and you're ready to use it in your games for quick chats, browsing, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.